My first term is over.
I didn't expect it to be how it is.
I have had non-stop homework
and I was not used to it,
but I got over it and I found out how to improve, so that's all good.
This time has been busy, mainly because of mocks. They were 2 weeks and it was just jam-packed, so many exams, and I was not used to it. I've got a few of my results back and I've done a lot better than I actually thought. Next term, mocks again. What is there to look forward to next term? Not much. The fact that I'll be closer to finishing school.
There has been so many roller coaster of emotions. Obviously, I had my first set of mocks and that was quite scary to me, and I feel the pressure now, but I think I've learned so much that my mental health is so important and to keep that number one and as a priority. But we also get a lot of privileges, like we're allowed to have tea and coffee and go out for lunch, and it's been really fun. We have a whole building to ourselves, so that's been really nice. But next term I have English lit mocks, which are the longest ones, but it's going so fast, so all I'm just trying to do is treasure all the moments and all the memories with my friends and just enjoy it while it lasts.
I think my last term went okay. It lasted 8 weeks, so it really dragged on for me. The best thing that happened was I got to perform with my band again at the Christmas fair. My music project was really good. We got to make an EP and that was really fun, even though it was a lot of stress. And I think the worst thing was I only got a 3 on my English language mock. It was the first set of year 11 mocks and it was quite hard for me. But I got over it and I found out how to improve, so that's all good.
I understood most stuff that we learned in class. Like some things were a bit crazy. I did one English mock. I got a B on it, which was really good. It was like my first mock exam or anything. Next term I have an English literature exam, and so I'm spending my holidays revising.
I have had non-stop homework, non-stop tests. It's been crazy. I've had so much fun, settling into my new class. Everyone's so lovely. We're like a massive family already. I did know some people already, however, we're all getting along so well. It's not too bad, because I was expecting probably worse. However, I didn't have my expectations too high, maybe no homework, because I knew that there would be a crazy amount. So I'd say that this term has been pretty awesome.